What is photosynthesis? Let's explore how green plants make their own food using sunlight. Photosynthesis happens inside chloroplasts, the green structures found in plant cells. Carbon dioxide and water go in. Using light energy and chlorophyll, glucose and oxygen come out. Here is the word equation. Carbon dioxide plus water gives glucose plus oxygen, in the presence of light and chlorophyll. Remember, plants use light energy, convert it to chemical energy, and store it as glucose in their chloroplasts. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.